Cancun. Where are we going, Donna?
Costa
Mujeres, yes.
On a brand new beach.
Yeah, new resort. Looks
and
really
brand new
nice.
hotel just opened up 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, looks like a lot of fun. We're gonna go check it out. I'm excited. And the lobby is very nice looking. It's got a lot of clean lines. Looks very modern. And Donna said it kind of reminds her of IKEA, as if IKEA furnished the whole resort. So that's pretty good. That's a positive thing, I think. It's December, so there's Christmas trees up. They've got it decorated. And this is the check-in desk. And there's the bracelet you get when you check in. And our first impression is very good. And this is looking out the front of the hotel. It's all glass. And there's several seating areas out here. And here's the other end of the lobby as you come in. There's Lounge 24. And Lounge 24 is open 24 hours a day. There's TVs, there's computers and a printer, drinks. There's fruit and there's meats and cheeses. And there's an ATM in here too. And from the lobby you have this beautiful walkway as you go out these doors, surrounded on either side by water. And you get out into this big courtyard with all the trees and plants and the rooms around it. And it's just very pretty. How many rooms are there, Donna?
600.
600 rooms. We're kind of in the middle section of rooms, just off the lobby. And all the buildings have 4 floors. These all have the garden view, and all the rooms have balconies, so that's nice. So lots of rooms, lots of space, and here's our first view of the beach. And there's actually, I believe, 5 pools on this property. It's kind of the quiet end down there, and then a swim-up bar, and then more pools over that way, but we'll check those out. And right at the end of the walkway that comes out from the main lobby is a directory that kind of shows you where everything's at. The restaurants, RiuLand, Riu Art, Gym Spa, Riu Fit, pools, and the beach. And the layout of the resort is pretty straightforward. Here's where you enter in the lobby. Rooms in the front and on either side. There's the walkway. And there's the beach. And the restaurants are just lined up all along in a line here. And there's 5 separate pools. And besides the 5 pools, they also have a water park, Splash Water World. So what are we looking for right now, Donna?
Lunch.
Yeah.
I think a restaurant that's called Taste.
Okay. And that's a buffet. There's a big open air eating area here. And this is Spaces. And over here is the one they call Taste. That looks like a pretty good sized buffet. And there's the Italian restaurant, Roma. You can order off the menu, or they have a buffet also. You can have both. Just above the quiet pool area on the second floor is the Zarape restaurant, the Mexican restaurant. And that looks very nice inside. Just to the left of Zarape is the Japan restaurant, Japanese food. And then to the left of the Japan restaurant is Cristal. It's a fusion restaurant. It's their open air theater. That looks like the band shell where a band would play. And over here is a stage where they could have some other kind of entertainment. And places where you can just sit and eat, drink while you're taking in the shows. Yeah, lots of seating up here and a great view.
They look like they would be oceanfront rooms with like a private pool.
That's neat.
You can't swim to the main pool, but it looks like.
And there's a couple of massage beds out on the beach.
This is the quiet pool. It's the furthest one that is away from the Dunamar, which is way over there by the water park. Okay, here's another pool. And there's a swim-up bar right there. So this one has a little bit louder music. Yeah, there's like the pools right there that you can do water volleyball with.
That's right next to the tequila bar, swim-up bar.
Yep, which is over here. So that's 3. Let's go see if we can find the others. This is pool number 4. You could just swim laps if you want. And here's where people can get in right here, where there's like a 0 entry where you can just like walk into the pool. And then here's the last one, and it has a swim-up bar. And here's the loungers in it.
So we're taking one of the walkways down to the beach area. There's lots of trees down on the beach, so should be plenty of shade. And there's lots of chairs.
They keep everything so clean. They're like constantly cleaning.
Yeah. It's a very clean looking resort inside and out. And the sand on this beach is really nice. It's very fine grain. It's kind of just like powder. They're doing some work on this side of the beach under the trees, but down here it's kind of open up and you can see straight through without any tape or lines in front of you. And here's a look at the property from the beach side. The restaurants, the lobby, some of the pools, some of the rooms over there. So it's really nicely laid out. There's some buoys out there where I imagine you're not supposed to go beyond, because that's where they do their water sports. They've been working on the beach area a little bit. They're putting in, looks like some irrigation lines right around the trees. There's Pepe's food. You can get some snacks and other food here. And right across from that are some more bathrooms. And that's by this tequila bar pool. The Wi-Fi is pretty strong at the resort and around the pools, and it gets a little weaker as you get down to the beach, but you can still get the Wi-Fi down there while you're sitting in your lounge chair and just enjoying the sound of the waves. They do have beach waiters that'll come out and bring you drinks, so that's nice too. You don't even have to leave your chair.
This looks like a place where you could get a swimsuit if you forgot to bring your swimsuit.
Boardwalk gift and premium shops. Looks like it has some nice clothes in here.
That's like 1,298 pesos. I guess 59 USD.
You can buy sandals, slip-ons, hats, shoes. They have lots of sunglasses if you forgot yours. Oakley, Ray-Ban, some good names. Cigars. And an alligator or a crocodile. The ceiling kind of reminds me of the movie Coco. Some over-the-counter medicines, and there's plenty of sunscreen because there's plenty of sun here. So on the bottom level, just before you get down to the pools and then down to the beach, is the boardwalk shops and also the spa area, the spa and gym area. And this is the gym area. Got some different equipment that you can work on. Free weights, Pilates balls, bench. You can do bicep curls and tricep push downs. You can do some treadmills or some ellipticals, a bike, all while you're looking out the window at the beach and the pools. So that side is the gym and this side is the spa. This is the window you look out of when you're in the gym. So you've got a pretty good view. You see the pools and then off in the distance the water. This is RiuLand. It's next to the gym and spa. You can actually create your own personal art here. They'll show you how to do it. You can create your own paintings. This is RiuFit. Looks a little more like CrossFit and different things going on here. There's different times of the day that they do scheduled things.
That looks like circuit training.
Circuit training. Just relax and stretch. There's Riumba, Latin Fit. There's a ping pong table there. It's kind of indoors, sort of, keep it out of the wind. And there's stairs up by the quiet pool, close to where the gym and spa are. That takes you over to where the theater is. This is the cappuccino bar area. Cappuccino has some really good drinks they'll fix you and some great pastries and desserts. We tried about 4 different desserts and they were all good. This is the square garden over there. It's a bar. This is the piano bar. And a good view out these big windows at the beach and the water. In the lobby they have an interactive screen where you can check the schedule. And it shows everything that's going on. It's showing Wednesday through next Tuesday right now, and it shows you all the different things that are going on, the times that they're going on. You can also click on different things and it'll tell you what's going on there, like RiuLand. They have diverse programs and theme days for 2 different age groups, 4 to 7 and 8 to 12. So there's definitely organized activities for kids here. And as it gets darker outside, the lobby looks even better. Got some pretty cool and fun furniture in here. Gonna do a 360-degree shot. Here we go. Oh boy, I'm getting dizzy. Yeah. Today's our last day. We're going home, leaving the Riu Palace, Costa Mujeres. Hope I said that right. Yeah.
We've been struggling with that the whole entire time.
I've said it about 4 or 5 different ways.
So we apologize if we offend anybody.
Yeah, 'cause we don't know what we're doing. But what did you think of the resort and our stay here?
I would give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah, it was very good.
Very high rating.
Yeah, 9 out of 10.
I tend to really like the reuse though. I'm a picky eater and I like to have a good buffet.
I like the bed here. Some people say they're hard. We stayed in another Riu Cancun, and I thought the beds were harder there, definitely, but that was a few years ago. But I thought these were comfortable beds.
Yeah.
A little firm.
And the room was always really cool.
Yeah.
Air conditioning worked great. They had ceiling fans too, so I love that.
The place is very clean. We always see people out cleaning, even the smallest details.
Oh my gosh, they even like polish the banisters going down to the beach, which people touch those constantly.
Yeah, so they're always busy, always working, always picking things up and cleaning things.
And then like you can never, like this morning, like I finished my orange juice and he was right back there with another one. Like they don't even ask, they're just like all about service. They have really good food and lots of it. And the beach is just amazing. I think this resort will be known for their beach and for like total relaxation. If you want a place to get away and just relax, this is the place to do it.
And that is a disclaimer. We got our rooms through points that Donna earned, so we didn't pay for our rooms. Donna earned them through working though, and it has not influenced our review of the resort.
Right.
We really loved it.
Bye.
Bye.
We gotta pack. We gotta finish packing.
Yeah.
Bye.
Unfortunately, gotta go. Bye.